Hey there, YouTube, and what are you all doing? I hope you all are doing fantastic. Oh yeah, I'm doing fantastic here. Doing an unboxing for you guys on Eufy RoboVac. Yep, this is a robot that actually does the vacuum work for you. So if you have a house that has a floor like this, which is called a tile floor, then this is most recommended. So you need to have this if you want to have a clean tile or a clean home. So this is actually what came out of the box. There's the box here. Now it's an empty box, and here it is. This is the owner's manual, quick start guide, and comes with two AAA batteries for the remote, I guess, because this thing has a remote. This is the adapter for the charging port. This over here is actually the charging port. So yeah, okay, so the background story behind this RoboVac is actually not very old. I mean, it's pretty new. I haven't tried a RoboVac. These RoboVacs have been there for like 2010, since 2010, and it's been 10 years for RoboVac. This particular model has been on the market for a year, and it has a good review. And why did I choose this particular model? This is the charging port. It actually comes and docks into this port automatically. It senses it, and then it docks on this port. So the adapter port goes in there. Yeah, so I actually didn't choose this robot vacuum. The robot vacuum chose the computer channel. Yep. So this vacuum was sent to me by Eufy. This is not a sponsored video. Actually, I need to pay the amount that is owed on this vacuum cleaner, which is around 149. This used to be a $249 worth vacuum, but they slashed the price to 149. So this is a really good deal. You see 509 ratings. It's almost like 4.5 stars. This is a pretty good rating for a RoboVac. It's really good to have all those stars. Yeah, so I need to pay some money for this review because it's not free. Well, it's not totally free. Like I mentioned before in my blog, I do some sponsor videos, but this is actually not a sponsor video. What happened was they sent it to me for free. But after a while, if I like it, if I want to keep it, I need to pay for it. You know, this is not free. Because computer channel is not that big that I'm gonna get free stuffs worth $150 or $250. Yep. So let's unbox this. I have to say, this is a pretty good looking robot. Pretty nice. Pretty cool. Let's see what's underneath. So this is what you get when you turn it around. It has two wheels. This is the brush that rotates. It also comes off. This is where it docks onto the charger. This is the directional wheel, and it's got some two ports, two brushes, which goes in here like this. Just press it, snaps into the place. did it give me an extra brush. So if you want to buy new brushes, you can buy them online on Amazon or eBay or Walmart. These are pretty common now in America and in Canada. You get it, you get a good deal, and it's really, really common nowadays. Let's try this one. Okay, so I got two extra brushes. Two brushes for the RoboVac, and I don't know what this is, but it just fell off. Alright, I think it's just got wires and power cord organizer for free. Yay. And then I don't know what this is. Looks like something to do with maintenance, I'm guessing. I'll have to figure it out after I read the owner's manual. Also comes with a remote. You can remote control it from anywhere you want. You know, switch it on, off, power it up, and it works. Oh, this also works with an app. It has an actual app that works with the phone. Google or Apple phone. It works with both Android or Apple OS. So yeah, this is really good. So I'll try to switch this on and see if it's got some juice in it. Okay, folks. So I was able to successfully switch it on. It seems like it does have some juice on it, but I need to connect it to my Wi-Fi and set it up using an app that I need to download, and then it's gonna start sweeping or vacuuming on its own. I was also able to set up the charger port here. This is where it's gonna dock in. So that's set right there. And yeah, I'm gonna actually set this up using the app, and then I'll try to continue this video. Alright folks, so I was able to get it up and running, and I set it up with my Wi-Fi connection, and currently it's hard at work cleaning up underneath my bed here, where I can actually never go in and clean. So you see the usefulness of these sort of devices nowadays. And if these are like $150, $250 was a little bit high, but if these are like $150, well then it's totally worth it. I would say this is the future. I'm pretty sure those of you who are watching already have one, or already have had one for a long, long time. But for me, this is something new. So, oh yeah, and this is just a vacuum cleaner. It doesn't have a mopper. Some of these robots come with a mopper, built-in mopper, but this is not one of those. So yeah, it's actually doing pretty cool in cleaning the house on its own. So it's got some modes that I can use on the app. It's pretty self-explanatory, and anybody can use it. If you can use a mobile device, you can use this. It's pretty easy. And also gets the job done. Alright, so one last thing. I'm trying the return to home or return to mothership mode, where the vacuum cleaner is going to find its charging port and dock itself onto the charging port. Yep, it did. It's successful. Alright. That's pretty cool, man. Alright, stay cool everybody, and stay fantastic. Oh yeah. Okay, Google, start RoboVac. Okay, Google. Alright, folks, so this has been vacuuming my room, my bedroom here for almost. Alright, folks, so the vacuum, the RoboVac, or the automatic robotic vacuum cleaner, has been vacuuming my room for almost 20 minutes. It did a pretty good job all over the room, on the floor. But when it got to this point where I have a lot of cable, it's been doing this for the last 1.5 minutes or 2 minutes. So it's trying to get out, because you see in the owner's manual they do say don't put it in front of the wire. It's gonna get confused. So that's what's happening right now. So if you have wires in your room, then you need to actually cover them up or do something about it so that the vacuum cleaner can go on about its job. Otherwise, it's gonna get stuck. It's gonna have a hard time getting itself free from the tanglement of the wire, or the wire entanglement. Okay, so finally it got itself free. So I need to help it with the wires so that it doesn't get stuck again. Now it's free. So this was a successful run because it did free itself, which is very rare. Well, actually it's not that rare, but yeah. So this successfully freed itself from the wire entanglement or the wire trap, and it's going about its job. So that's a very good plus point for this Eufy 25c robot, or the RoboVacuum. Alright, so my RoboVac just completed one bedroom and docked itself to the docking port, and now it's charging. So this turns orange when it's charging. So now it's time to check how much dirt and debris did it pick up. So this is actually the filter. Okay. We can send it back home. Maybe it sent something. It's aligning itself to go back home. Alright, so let's check this out. I hope it doesn't trigger the on switch. It wasn't supposed to trigger the on switch. I don't know what happened back there. So this is the, this is where everything piles up, all the, dust, the dirt, and the hair and whatnot. So this is actually the vacuum bag or container. So let's see how or what does it have inside. Oh my lord. Okay, so that's a lot of gunk, a lot of junk, a lot of, I don't know, carpet fiber or something. That's a lot. So yeah, this is how much it put up. Yesterday I was actually, last evening actually, I was showing it to my wife because she wasn't here when this RoboVac arrived, and we were trying it out in another different room, I picked up a lot of hair. So this time it looks like it picked up a lot of debris, but no hair. So the hair is all clean, I guess. Alright, so what you do is just dump it onto the trash, on the trash bin, like that. And then this is the filter, which you need to change every 6 months. So that's not bad. It's like in a car, you know, a cabin filter or air filter. So every 6 months, and every once in a while maybe you can just brush it off like that using your hand. Yeah, that works as well. And then just close this, and then just put it back in like this. Yep, all ready to use for the next RoboVac episode. Alright, stay cool everybody, and stay fantastic. Oh yeah.